Greetings. All right, I see we have a black screen. However, I just want to say shalom to you all. Welcome to Ervin Management Group. I don't see no pictures. Oh my gosh, you don't have access to this feature. Okay, I have not been on here a while, but I do want to welcome you all, and I also want to welcome any new subscribers. I've met some wonderful people. And I'm telling you guys, I'm going to have some fantastic information for you all coming up after this tax season. Those that um, have been my subscribers for a while, you have seen some new transitions that have occurred not only within the urban management group, but through the business industry and especially through the consumer industry. And I'm just going to give you all a heads up so you can be prepared. All right. And I don't see my image, but that's not really important right now. What I do want you all to begin to prepare your mindsets, begin to prepare that change, begin to prepare to get rid of the old way of thinking, the old way of living, the old way of speaking. Because if you're going to thrive and survive going forward within these next several years, you must take authority over your own life. I'm going to say it again. If you don't make a mind shift and begin to change the way you speak, the way you see, the way you think, you will not be able to survive in the upcoming years. And so, this platform, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I have been challenged in all forms and fashions in the tech arena, and I understand. I've done videos, I've been on the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter, the little of the TikTok. Not familiar with that platform yet, but my videos do not display. And I was informed that after reviewing that the platforms, the algorithm shadow banned me. Now, I understand why. So when we go into our deep sessions like I did before, when we used to have our grant class and we had our Zoom links, okay, I strive to do it live. I strive to do it on Facebook, and it just didn't work out that way. All right. So we're going to be strategic this time. And anybody that is tired of living the way you living, especially if you have uh, these student loans, please don't pay them things. I'm sorry. They're already paid for. Go start reading. All right. Go read the Privacy Act of 1974 and the Higher Education Act. All right. Begin to inform yourself, because what I've experienced in the last several months and what y'all open up to me and what I've learned, oh my goodness, literally, we're going to set the people free. And what I mean, not just setting you free in your spirit, not just setting you free in your mind, but setting you free financially. You understand what I'm saying? And so Dr. D always tell you guys, I'm not trying to take nothing from you. I'm trying to give something to you. But you just have to endure. Only the ones that endure to the end will win. Okay, you're gonna have to have some endurance and some patience with Dr. D. Okay, because I'm battling just like y'all, but I'm coming on top though, because I'm willing to do the work. I'm willing to step into delayed gratification. I'm literally learning new, and it's not new. Let me take that back too, because nothing new underneath the sun. It's just reinventing itself. But to you and I, it becomes new because we never was taught it. It never was brought to us properly. Okay. And so they have so many individuals that are sharing so much because people are desperate. You're going out here doing stuff and you're getting yourself in trouble. All right. You hear one thing, you're going to try to go and get remedy for something and you're going to get yourself in trouble. So, stuff that I've learned, I'm in uh, uh, a awesome uplifting transition. And believe me, by this summer, those that can endure, those that are willing to fight for your life, fight for your rights, fight for your family, fight for your generation, you be one of the elects. And through that, as we begin to communicate with one another, you will have those access codes to enter in and learn and begin to live the life that Yah told us in the beginning. He told us in the beginning, I'll bless thee. He said, be fruitful and go and multiply and have dominion in the earth and subdue it. Um, I don't think many of us are doing what Yah told us to do, right? But guess what? You will. I always say it's going to have a marvelous time. And I can't even say a phrase that I used to say because that's all hogwash. But I used to always say, oh, I'm going to have me a magnificent Christmas. And guess what? Every year it come around, something new is coming up. But guess what? Christmas is fake. Christmas is not part of us. So I'm not saying those phrases. I'm not saying those cliches. I'm being set free from all this paganism and all of the things that I never celebrated, but just trying to participate with others and conform. Nah, we have to be transformed. Okay? Listen to what Romans tell us. Don't be conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by what? By the renewing of your mind. Whoa, it goes back to that mindset. So I just want to give a shout out, just put some activity on this feed, welcoming all my new subscribers, my prior subscribers is all is well. We have some new things, those that need to enter in and prepare for their tax planning services. Hey, shoot me up an email in this comment section, or we do have a new temporary number. It is temporary. The office numbers is still the same, 832-402-7469. And then you can text there also. The fax number is 713-893-6093. And until we speak again, shalom, shalom.